Two guests. Yo. It's King Deidre, combined with the forces of non-ether. Blowing whoopers and tweeters, shaking syllable readers. Disasters cataclysmic, mystic natural. It's about time we hit y'all with some substances actual. I got a gift called hip-hop prophecy. Since 2003, insta reign of the GDMC. No more roaming on this planet like scavengers. Scientists broke the code of the Gregorian calendar. Defying laws of space and time. Trying to trace my lines, hold up, respect the architect. Digital rolling, my whole crew roll with BS. Type the master this whole universe in 3 steps. We stretch across the equator with something major. Universal rhyme tones, tamper with your time zone. Minds blown by the millions just for the feeling. Hip-hop and just for the stop until I hope you kill it. Now I'm kidding with the real. The world ain't the same no more. Take your life to next level or remain no more. Take your life to next level or remain no more.
Well, I'm colliding with the mind of a survivor. Cover the time, brother. The high volume, lifestyle of the verge out inside. Dodging mirages, conquer the vibe. Hunger lurks, 9 to 5 work saga. God bless the life, find the tripe, drive with the light. Balance the globe on flight, poking pimp with a stroke. So you know how it go, yo. Struggle, yo. Let it go, settle the dope. Live showbiz, the cannonball, weapon, men and arms, 4 section. Super intelligence, balance, benevolence, stinging nettle medicine. Crouch, tiger, dragon, craftmatic, posture, back shift, catch this, passes through the atlas. First class, diplomatic status, tag the flag, then overstanding the plan. Boss, win, identify, camera shots, streets, watch, time, X clocks. Punchlines on the dot, 5 minutes to rock. So we blue block teams, it's old news, how we do.
I'm not even winded. Grass grows, sun shines, bro. Let's go.
Yours and mine, part of my design. Shifting paradigm, yin and yang combined. Must have been out of your mind. The star would never shine, props do. Focus with a hawk's eye view. I'm all that a plantain and Semite's house do. Getting spinach, British, 80 other business. Abercrombie figures open up this herb elixir. Magnetic attraction, roar is Millie Jackson. Straight opening the captions, here comes a hit of action. Oracle contractions, delivery reactions. It started with a passion, that's just the way it happens. Born with umbilical cords strapped to dogs, won't drop a curse while hustlers if this vows. Sharper than needles, no objects for the people. Y'all this way.